Hey everyone, I'm just here with a fun, quick, easy tutorial and something I've been doing and I love doing, and that is using circles to create pockets. So grab a circle and play along if you want. This is really fun. And these items here, I'm still working on my July mini journal. So these are from the July 2024 subscription kit. But you can use anything that you have. The principles are the same. But if you're interested, I link that down below and you're welcome to snatch that up if you want it. Okay, so let's get started. I just want to I have this page and I have this huge, beautiful ephemera that I want to incorporate on this page. And I don't want it covered all the way because I think it's so pretty. So I'm going to use this huge circle and create this sort of a tuck spot right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue along here, and it's going to create a tuck. So let's go ahead and do that first. Let me double check if there's a top or bottom. There really isn't. This is a really neutrally designed. Some of them have designs on them. So keep an eye out for that if there's a design. All right, now I'm sticking that fairly close to the corners, but not entirely because I don't want it to interfere with that page folding. All right, so we have just a simple foundation. Now I'm gonna build a collage on here that's just going to add interest, because you could leave it just very, very simple, do some stamping or whatnot, and that's beautiful and fun. But I want to add some more. So I'm going to start looking through the elements that I have and just building up. I have this whole envelope, let me show you, full of different elements that are used with this kit. Oh, I have tiny tags. That could be fun to incorporate a tiny tag in the front. We'll see. Oh, this clock. Okay, that could be really fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this up before I start gluing things down. I'm just going to grab a few of these little elements here. I think if you have something like this, you need something to offset the circle look, so that will do that. We have these cute little labels. Should ink that baby. I didn't do a great job. I use my hole punch to notch those out, and sometimes I don't do the best. Okay, we're breaking up that circle because I don't want it to be, let's see, I think we need lace. I have a scrap. No, I like it. I think it just needs to go under. There we go. And I typically don't like things totally centered, so I'm going to kind of start working them a little bit to the left. And I feel like we just need like a word. We have this one. I have like 8 others. I like that one. Just let go. That's pretty. Okay. Now I feel like I need just a tiny, let's see, this isn't from the kit, you guys, but I think this would be perfect. This is a tiny Tim Holtz, tiny butterfly, but wouldn't that be perfect? I love it. Okay. So then I'm just gonna glue these down. We're gonna remove these 3 and start with these 2. That is going nowhere with that glue. Goes about like that, yeah. And then next we're gonna have our lace. Let's see if I want to trim that down. It's kind of cool. I think it's kind of fun going off the edge. I think I'm going to leave it. The trick with this lace is the sheen on it makes it just a tad tricky to glue down. Oops, we went too far with our glue. That's okay. All right. And now we have, this is kind of the big statement piece, I feel like, on the circle. The thing that's gonna kind of pop off the page is our flower. I think I like it up just a hair more. Just play around with it before you stick it down. It's just easy and fun to just build these. Ooh, I got carried away there. And I just love the layers. It would be fun too to get some additional paper scraps. I should have done that. Yeah, I want it coming over this way, so it's not covering up too much of my flower. Like, don't you think some words from a book page would be really cute, torn up in the background? That would be really fun. And our teeny tiny butterfly. Okay, I want that guy right here. Okay, so just like that, you have this really beautiful and interesting element for a journal, and then you can put your huge, oh, I glued this down too far. That was silly. That's okay if it sticks out, right? Sure it is. That's gonna bug me, let's be honest. That's coming down. There we go. It can just dangle there, that's fine. All right, there we go. And then you just have this really beautiful, simple element to your journal. I think it'd be fun. Let's maybe look at some of my Fieldnotes stamps, because I think this would be a really fun one to do a little bit of stamping on. That would be fun to add one more circle element. What do you think? This is bold. This is a bold move. Here we go. Cute. Where's my scrap? I can use this. This is a fun scrap because it's actually an envelope from another kit, but we're gonna create it into something really fun with all that stamping. Okay, I think I want, maybe on this side, a long skinny, let's do destination. What do you think? Let's see what it looks like first. Ooh, that's very bold. I don't know if I want it to be that thick. Let's try something a little thinner, like a number. Let's try a number. Whoop. Oh, that didn't go as planned. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna build something. We're gonna build a stamping collage. Right here. I think I'd rather have something like that. Yeah. You can really just build these around your page however you want. And this is big enough. I think I just like that. I don't want to overdo it, right? Got a little ink on there. I'm just making sure it's relatively flat. It's okay if it's not perfect, but. Cute. And that will just add some extra interest to the page, another layer, another element. Love it. Okay, I mean, I don't know. I think it's pretty well perfect. Can't think of another thing to add. Oh wait, I could stamp right here. That would be cute. I could do a lot of stamping. I like stamping. So, okay. Simple, easy, and it all started with a circle that you just build around. So if you have a page and you need something large, like a large impact, I feel like circles are a really fun way to go. You could add an eyelet with a little charm. You can do the different kind of inking and stamping on there to add more interest. Really, you can do just about anything. And I could have even turned this little clock into a tiny pocket and added another tiny tag back there. That would have been really cute too. So just, I think what the trick for these, and the thing I love about the kits, is you start with your elements and then you just begin, and then you just start adding on and building upon what you started with, and you're gonna get something fabulous. So anyway, simple, fun idea, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you go out and create something really beautiful for yourself or for someone else that you love. And we will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.